Packing just got easier with our new Wanderlust collection. This is a versatile, stylish capsule of must-have sewing patterns. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrain, strolling historic cobblestone streets, or boarding a plane for a new destination, these travel essentials are designed to take your adventures to the next level. We've designed this collection of patterns with adventurers like you in mind, whether you're packing for a day trip or an epic journey. Each of these patterns have been crafted to keep your essentials organized while staying chic on the go. I hope that this collection of patterns will be your brand new, trusty travel companions. And before we take a tour of each of these brand new patterns, be sure to subscribe to our email list and our YouTube channel so you know when we release new patterns, tutorials, kits, and more. So let's explore this brand new collection of patterns. Each piece in the Wanderlust collection brings a unique design, merging style with functionality to keep you organized while you explore, from state parks to city sightseeing. First, I'd like to share an extremely versatile pattern named Traveler, which is a sleek travel wallet that's perfect for staying organized while on the move. This pattern was designed by the talented Peg Bailing of our team. She is the fabric department lead in our warehouse and a very passionate sewist.
Hi, I'm Peg, and I designed the Traveler bag. This all began when someone asked me if I could design some kind of bag. During COVID, everybody had to take their passport and their immunization card. So that's what, it started out as the Galaxy pattern. And then I was asked to make sure that we had some place to put things once you know. And so it ended up being the Traveler that has an outside pocket for the phone. It has inside pockets and slots for credit cards, cash, anything like that. And then it still has your outside pocket that has your passport and your immunization card. Now that is a lot of times used for your license, and if you don't need to carry your immunization card because it has a clear front to it. People love the idea that it could be a crossbody. I take mine everywhere I go because I don't have to carry another purse with me, then everything goes in that bag. It can also be, because the handle is adjustable, it can be a fanny pack. A lot of people will use it that way when they travel long distance or overseas. So now that you've seen my version of it, I'd love to be able to see what you make from the pattern. Send in your pictures of what you're making, and if you're traveling with it, that would be amazing to see too.
It's always fun to hear the story behind the design, and we truly hope that you love this pattern. With multiple compartments for your passport, credit cards, and tickets, the Traveler makes airport and train travel transitions a breeze. It keeps everything you need at your fingertips, so you're always ready for the next leg of your journey. And as a bonus, we've put together all of the supplies you need to make this project in a convenient, ready-to-sew kit. We cut and pack everything in our warehouse in Wisconsin, and there are 2 gorgeous colorways to choose from. Next up is the Jenny sling bag, which is designed for you to travel hands-free while keeping what you need close and secure. I designed this pattern in collaboration with Jenny Doan. She envisioned traveling with this sling bag on her trip to Ireland. I was honored to create this pattern for her, and now I am thrilled to share it with you. I hope you find lots of uses for it on your future travels. Whether you're wandering through a bustling city or hiking scenic trails, the Jenny sling bag combines style, security, and simplicity all in one design. Your phone, wallet, and water bottle are protected and easily accessible. Its adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit, making it your ideal companion for day trips and sightseeing. There's even a hidden zipper pocket on the back. For those longer journeys and weekend getaways, the Hamilton duffel bag has you covered. This pattern was designed by the brilliant Kate Bashinsky on our team. She is the pattern production director here at Sallie Tomato, so she makes sure every pattern is tested and polished for you to have the best sewing experience possible.
Hi everyone. Sometimes a pattern design begins with an idea or a challenge, and Hamilton began as a request for a large, oversized travel duffel bag, similar to the style of our Casey duffel bag. So that's where I began. researching the size limits for airline travel, make sure we stay within those parameters, and then added details such as pockets, which are really important for keeping a traveler organized. And if you take a peek inside the Hamilton, there are some large mesh pockets, which I really love. It helps keep clothing organized, even slippers or shoes, socks. And that's one of the reasons why those pockets are in the Hamilton. So as you take on your sewing adventure, be sure to share photos. I would love to see where you take your Hamilton.
We are so excited for this pattern design. This oversized duffel provides ample space for your clothing, shoes, and accessories while keeping your items organized with plenty of pockets. It's durable enough for travel, yet stylish enough to make a statement. The Hamilton is perfect for overhead bins, car trunks, or train compartments. If you're looking for something more compact, the Casey duffel is a must-have. This pattern has been a Sallie Tomato fan favorite for years. However, we've updated the pattern with metric measurements included, as well as gave it a fresh look in our faux wax canvas. The Casey duffel bag is a downsized version of the Hamilton. It's perfect for an overnight stay or as a sleek carry-on bag. Its clean design and roomy interior make it versatile, while the sturdy handles and shoulder strap offer flexibility for carrying. Next in our capsule collection is the Mason pattern, and these pouches have been so popular among Sallie Tomato fans. We've updated this pattern to have bias binding assembly inside versus the original design, which was turned right side out through a turning opening. The binding allows for added structure to the inside of the bag and an easier finish. And if you've previously purchased a paper pattern, email us a receipt to info@sallietomato.com and we will send you the updated PDF version. The pattern is available in various sizes. These pouches are perfect for storing everything from toiletries to tech accessories. These pouches are the ultimate solution for keeping your smaller items organized inside your travel bags. And finally, we have a bonus freebie included with this collection, which is our webbing keychain pattern. This project is a small but mighty accessory that adds convenience to any bag. Clip your keys, ID badges, or other essentials onto the webbing keychain so you never have to fumble for them again. It's the perfect addition to your Wanderlust collection, offering practical style wherever you go. From quick day trips to bucket list getaways, we hope that the Wanderlust collection inspires your next adventure and helps you stay organized, stylish, and prepared for any journey. We can't wait to see how you use these patterns. Share your creations with us on social media using #SallieTomato so we can see your unique takes on these travel-ready designs. Be sure to check out the links below to all of the patterns and to see the entire Wanderlust collection. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for tutorials and more creative ideas. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll explore the rest of the collection for even more creative possibilities. We'll see you next time. Bon voyage!